weather?
Well, it's going to be wet still for a little while this evening, but as we head toward 10, 11 o'clock tonight, we're going to start to see that rain change over to some wet snow. May see some small accumulations here in the Dayton area overnight, but a little more likely to see more in the way of a heavier wet snow accumulation up in our northwest counties. We'll break it all down for you here in just a moment, but right now, your forecast through this evening, you can see those temperatures are going to be coming down. Upper 40s at Dayton International Airport, although the Dayton area and the southern part of Montgomery County up in the 50s today. 38 at 7 o'clock, 36 at 9 p.m., down to 34 at 11. So mostly just some rain showers through 9 o'clock, but then we'll start to see that transition from rain to snow west-east across the region later this evening. And by the time we get to midnight shortly thereafter, we should be looking at mostly just some snow showers in the area. And 32 at 8 o'clock could be some slick spots for that morning commute. May need to allow some extra time. It was rain this morning. It'll be snow tomorrow morning. 34 at noon and then 33 at 5 p.m. Not much movement in the air temperature as we go through the day. On our headlines tonight, windy, colder. We'll have the rain changing over to those snow showers. As I mentioned, slick spots for the morning commute. And then snow showers on Thursday and windy. The battle going on there will be the falling snow trying to accumulate with the fact that temperatures are going to be a little bit above freezing, I think, during the day. We do have that winter weather advisory in effect from Wayne and Darke and also Shelby, Logan counties. Points on northwestward. Winter storm warning up near Fort Wayne, but blizzard warnings if you're heading up toward northern Indiana and southwest lower Michigan. Those winds very strong along with the heavy snow. Those locations will see 6, in some cases even 10 to 12 inches of heavy wet snow. Looks like mostly 3 to 4 in a band from central Indiana up into northwest Ohio, and then 1 to 2 inches down here in the Dayton area for tonight and into Thursday. And even our northern counties more around that 3-inch mark as you go up into Mercer, Darke, and Auglaize, Shelby, and Logan counties with some of the wet snow. Right now, though, rain in Darke County on the SVG Chevrolet camera tonight. And as we take a look at the conditions this evening, over on the StallVision camera in Beaver Creek, there we're seeing some clouds, some gustier winds moving through Beaver Creek at this time. Live Doppler 2 HD showing rain falling now through downtown Dayton. And then as we look back to the west, the rain coming down across central sections of Darke County and Preble County, also down into Butler County. And then you can see that snow that's falling out to the west of us across the central portions of Indiana. Looking at the clouds, they're fairly thick over us, and we're still looking at some of those rain showers swinging through the area tonight on the satellite and the radar view. This is all pushing northeastward, and we'll continue to see this area of rain and snow all work eastward with this deep area of low pressure swinging out from Cincinnati and heading northeastward for tonight. Right now in Dayton, we're 42. Even though it says a west wind at 6 miles an hour, wind chill factor at 38, the relative humidity is at 100% right now. Obviously, gustier winds in the downtown Dayton area. Let's take a look at that forecast for tonight. Windy, colder, rain changing to snow, accumulating around an inch here in the Dayton area overnight with a low of 32 degrees. Those winds could gust up to 40. Windy, cold tomorrow. Snow showers, again, another inch of accumulation or so. So that'll give us about a total of 1 to 2 inches of snow. Very little movement in the temperatures tomorrow, looking for those readings in the low to mid 30s. And there's your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. 33 on Friday, a slight chance of flurries. 45 on Saturday, mostly sunny skies. We'll be up to 55 on Sunday, so a quick warm up over the weekend, but then turning a little colder on Monday, a chance of rain and snow showers. Mark?
Okay,